Says, Daddy, look at my arms. They're ready for pulling myself across the floor. Come home soon, Dad. I miss you. Mommy won't pick me up. He's silly. Say bye-bye. Say come home. Tell him what you really think, Charlie. I want to eat the camera. I want to eat the camera. Hi. I don't think you should eat the camera.